Now the 31st question is integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x t whole square times dx. It is exactly similar to the previous problem. The only difference is 1 plus cos x is raised by a power of 2. So again substitute 1 plus cos x as t. So we will have minus sin x into dx divided by dt is equal to 1. So when I differentiate this with respect to t on both sides, this is what we get. So sin x into dx is equal to negative of dt, right? So sin x into dx is negative of dt. So minus dt divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square is t square. So the integral of minus 1 by t square, I already told you, it is 1 by t. So 1 divided by t plus c, 1 divided by, what is the value of t? It is 1 plus cos x. So the final answer would be 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus c. Right? I hope you are clear with the fact that minus 1 by t square integral is 1 by t.